Delhi. Welcome back to my channel Life Matters. Today I am going to share with you 5 shopping tips for shopping in Germany, and these tips are going to be especially helpful for anyone who is coming to Germany for the first time. So let's start. So my first tip for you would be to do some online research. I will give you my own example. 2 years ago, I came to Germany from India, and at that point of time, I had never been outside of India. So the first time that I had to come out shopping in Germany was within my first week, when I had to come out for some grocery shopping and shopping for some daily stuff. And when I landed in the market in the city square, it was like a 4 kilometer street with so many shops that I was completely blank, because I did not do any kind of pre-research before coming here. And what I found was that all the brands, 90% of them were very unfamiliar for me. So I would advise you that before your first shopping trip, do go online and try to research a little bit about what are the brands in the categories that you want to shop. For example, if you want to shop for groceries or you want to go to supermarket, then at least you should know that okay, these are the 4 or 5 main supermarkets that are available, and what are the things that are available in each of these supermarkets and at what price, so that once you are in the market, you know that okay, in this shop, if I go there, if I'm going to find something which is of a good quality and which will be cost effective. So this is a little bit of research that can really help you, so that you are not very confused with once you land in the market itself. Another tip that I would like to give to you related to the same tip is to not buy stuff from the main train station too much in terms of groceries, etc. Try to go to one of the supermarkets and buy, because the stuff that is available in the main train station is little bit expensive than the shops that are actually outside the station in the main market. My second tip related to shopping in Germany is regarding the language Deutsch. So, if you are in a smaller city like mine, Karlsruhe, then all the shops and all the markets are going to have all their labels in Deutsch, and they are not going to have labels in other languages like English. And even the people who are there in the shop assistants and the cashier, etc., many of them or most of them actually do not know English. They only know Deutsch. So speaking with them and trying to take little bit help from them is going to be really difficult, although everybody here in Germany is very helpful. But if they don't know your language, then they won't be able to help you. So my tip regarding this would be to, of course, first of all, learn a little bit Deutsch. Few words regarding the basic shopping items like groceries, etc., would be really helpful. Also, what you can do is download some kind of an app like Google Translate, etc., where you can take pictures of all the products that you want to buy, and then you can translate the labels on the spot, having an internet connection. And it will help you really in shopping. And also, my third tip regarding this would be that try to also understand and know few basic phrases like the translation in German, like I would like to buy this, I would like to pay with card, I would like to purchase this. Few things like that, shopping things that will really help you once you are interacting with people in the different shops. Tip number 3 is related to country specific items. For example, I am from India and I am used to consuming certain things that are specific to my country, India, like certain masalas and certain food items, etc., which are not available in the German supermarkets. So for those, there are certain country specific stores that are there in each city in Germany. For example, in my city, Karlsruhe in Germany, there are certain Indian subcontinent stores in which you can get a lot of stuff that is usually available in India, and you can get all the brands that are available in India, at least some of the brands, not all the brands. But you have to be also prepared that the items that are available here are much more costly than how they were in India or in in our countries. So but if you have to consume them, if you are used to using those brands, I'm sure you will not really it will not matter what the price is, but at least these things will be available. So my tip would be to find out that in your neighborhood where are these stores, and go there and check out what items are available there. My next tip is related to the prices of different product categories here. For example, as compared to your own country, you will find that certain categories of things are more expensive and certain category of things are lesser expensive. As compared to India, I find certain categories like perfumes and milk products etc. less expensive. There are certain categories like electronics, baby products, toys, books, and other things that I find more expensive here than in India. My fifth and final tip is for the purchase of clothing in Germany. In case you are used to wearing Western wear, of course you have a lot of options here. But in case you would like to wear Indian wear like saris, etc., there will be very less options for you here. In Karlsruhe, in my city, I haven't seen even a single shop which is selling Indian wear. So your best bet could be some kind of online shop, or there are some special shops that are there when the Indian festival is held over here. Or my best bet or my best tip for you would be that whenever you go to India, buy your Indian wear from there and bring it back to Germany. That would be your best choice for Indian wear. So these were my 5 top tips for you in terms of shopping in Germany. Hope these were helpful to you in case you are coming to Germany for the first time. If you like this video, do like, comment and share this video with your friends and family, and do subscribe to my channel Life Matters.